In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Google Drive. By the end, you'll have a smooth connection that lets you bring your Drive files right into Notion pages, keeping your notes, docs, and assets in one streamlined workflow. First, open your Notion account. You can do this on the desktop app or in your browser. Either works the same for this setup. Make sure you're signed in to the workspace where you want the connection to live, so the integration is added exactly where you need it. Next, click on your account. Depending on your layout, this might be your profile photo, your initials, or your workspace name in the sidebar. The idea is to get to the area where you manage your workspace and personal preferences. Now, click Settings. This brings up the panel where all key options live. You'll use this area to manage how Notion behaves for you, so it's a good place to get familiar with. Inside Settings, look for the section dedicated to integrations. From there, click Connections. This is the hub for enabling and controlling tools that link to your Notion workspace. You'll see a gallery of available services and a search bar to quickly find what you need. Click on the search bar and enter Drive. When Google Drive appears in the results, select it. This will open the page that explains what the integration does and what permissions it needs. Take a moment to read the summary so you know exactly how the connection will behave. Click Install and then follow the prompts on your screen. These prompts typically guide you through choosing your Google account, reviewing permissions, and confirming access. Pick the Google account that holds the files you plan to use and allow the requested permissions so Notion can display and link to your Drive content. If you're asked to confirm the workspace, make sure it's the correct one. When the prompts finish, the connection will be active and you'll see Google Drive listed under your connections in Settings. That's it. You've connected Notion with Google Drive. From here, you can work more efficiently by linking or previewing Drive files directly in your pages without switching tabs. If something doesn't look right during setup, double check that you're in the intended workspace and that you chose the correct Google account. You can always return to Settings, open Connections, and review or adjust the integration later. Enjoy the improved flow between your documents and your notes, and keep your projects moving with everything in one place.